The next tool is a place tool. You can add image or another document, insert to another document. Okay. For doing that, I create a new document here and just simply insert some images here. Then going to change the color of that and done. Okay. First, you can insert any image that you want. Okay. If you click on that, it tells you, okay, which image do you want to insert? You can see you can import document files, affinity files, JPEG, anything that you want. For example, this. First, you can, with just one click, it insert the image with actual size. But if you insert it again with click and drag, you can import any size of your object. Okay. Now I want to save this document. Save as HHHH on your desktop, for example, and done. Okay. You can, for example, close that, and that it's saved on your desktop. You insert a new document here, and you can place your HH document that you save in this document with the place tool. In the place tool, now you can see we can access HHH, and if you open with click and drag, now you can see you can insert your document. For editing that, you have to go here. Don't forget to edit document. Don't go to another document. Just from here, edit that, and your document HHH will be open. And this is, you can see, this is our document that just insert this image. You cannot access inside of that. But if you double click or go into the edit that, now you can access your document HHH. You can see, and you can move anything somewhere. And then if you come back, you can see the update in your another document. Okay. And it does not to be saved. If you Control S to save, you can see it does not save because it's embedded. You can see embedded modify, and you can access to that. Let's close all of these and open that HHH. You can see it does not save on that. Your main document will be a save, and it does not change because you insert inside that, and you can modify it in that document without touching your main file. That's interesting. And this is an embedded. You can see with a place tool, you can add some settings here. These are for pixel. Okay, I explain it later, but from here you can replace it if you need. Okay, that's it. It's an place tool. It's very interesting.